All right, welcome to the first of the year midweek market update. Let's get right at it. Let's go at the four most popular currency pairs. First one here, Aussie dollar CAD. Structure is still to the upside. Bounced off this order pool a couple of weeks ago. The algorithms are saying it's in an upward trend. I'm going to keep with my forecast here and say upward to sideways movement for Aussie CAD. Euro USD, same thing, pretty much. Upward trend on the algorithm, structures to the upside. AI is saying there's a little bit of pressure to the upside. We are bouncing off an order pool up here, so I think that's going to have kind of like a ceiling-ish behavior for this particular currency pair. So I'm going to stick with my up to sideways forecast for that. We would have to break this high here in order for it to be a super upward trend, and even this high here to really convince me that we're in a really strong uptrend. Next pair, British pound, Japanese yen, pretty much straight up for these guys. It has been for quite a while. Had a little bit of sideways traversing here, but we bounced down here through the holidays into this order pool, and where algorithms have completely switched to the upside here. Structures to the upside. I'm going to stick with my forecast and say yen pound pair keep going up. NASDAQ chief here. Excuse me, hit the wrong button. NASDAQ chief. Not too exciting. It's been going sideways for a long time. Structures to the downside. Bounced off this order pool here. There's an algo trigger right here that we're just kind of hanging out by, and there's another one right down here. So if it does make it down to here, it'll probably start to bounce back up again. But for the most part, it's been chopping sideways in this channel. So that's what's going on with that guy. Bitcoin. So we've got structure to the upside. We got algorithms to the upside. We got AI to the upside. No longer chopping sideways, in my opinion. I'm saying this puppy's going to just keep going up at a gradual pace. We do have the highest high right here, this little red line. It's up in the 62,000-ish range. Let me see if I can tell you exactly what that is. 69,509.6. That would be a big deal if it got to there. Right now, the closest high that it needs to break over is right around 48 and change. So we'll see what happens there, but I continue to predict this going to the upside. Ethereum, pretty much same story. Structures to the upside. The algorithms are to the upside. AI is showing upward pressure, sideways to upward movement on Ethereum. Litecoin, upward, but mostly sideways on this puppy here. So that's what I'm looking at there. Gold, sideways to up on gold. The algorithms we've got some conflicting signals here. The algorithms are pointing to the downside, but AI is pointing to the upside. The structure is pointing to the upside. Now this is the one of the all-time highs over here, which we did break. So it's probably going to chop around this for a while, and we shall see. If it breaks up to the upside, I expect a pretty violent move to the upside. Otherwise, I'm thinking choppy to the side here. Last but not least is silver. Same kind of a situation as gold. We got the all-time high right here. If it breaks through that, I think we're going to the moon. But for now, we're just going to chop to the side and maybe a little bit up. Introducing some new things for 2024. First of which is the FX Morning Mayhem podcast. What I'm going to do each morning is go over my sentiment for the marketplace, point out any significant news of the day, give you my top picks on my watch list, and then hopefully give you some tips and tricks on how you can improve your trading. So go to Spotify and bookmark the FX Morning Mayhem podcast now. If you like the FANG report and the midweek market update, you should check out the Trade Faction. The Trade Faction is a Slack channel in which I post my trading plan for the day and go through my trades in detail. If you just want to learn about trading or hang out, you can come to the Trade Faction. Best thing about it, it's free. Just go to the website, click on the link, and join for free.